Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start one of the new chapters called Arithmetical Progression. This is for 11th standards and this first period which I'm going to conduct today. So before I start solving questions from these chapters, I would like to give you some of the examples based on arithmetical progressions. Let's take first examples. If we talk about examples. Okay, if we talk about the examples, right? So you will take your example. So in case of examples, let's take number one example. Suppose we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, right? Suppose another we have 20, right? 17, 14, then we have 11 and so on, right? So these are in AP series. How you understand these are in AP series? So if you talk about number one, okay, so the first term, they are known as first term, right? First term is denoted by A, right? Now difference between second and first, right? Second and first is known as common difference, right? What we say? Common difference. Common difference. So in case of number one, if you talk about common difference, so second term is 3, right? Minus first term is 1. So how much we got? We got 2. Similarly, if you talk about between these two, common difference, right? So your third term is 5 and second term is how much? 3. So we'll get here 2. So we are getting same common difference. It means this is in AP series. Right? This is in AP series. Similarly, if you talk about number 2, A is how much? A is 20 here, right? And common difference, if you talk about common difference, so what we have here, second term is 17 and first term is 20. So 17 minus 20, we'll get here minus 3. Again, if we talk about common difference by taking these two terms, so it's 14 minus 17. So again we'll have minus 3. So here we have same difference, that is common difference is same. So this is also known as AP series, we said, arithmetical progression. So this is about little information I provided you. So when we talk about the formula, like what we say, that we take Tn, Sn. So here we take nth term, right? Which we are talking about? We are talking about nth term. So when you talk about the nth term, so what we have formula? We have a plus, we have n minus 1 d, right? This is we take it. Now when you talk about the Sn, so here we have got n by 2, right? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So these are the two formula we have here, right? That will be following to find the value. That is n term equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. This is also equals to L. L stands for last term. Right? So these are the rules we'll be following to solve the questions from this chapter. So let's take the first question. Okay, the first question we have here, find the sum of, right, 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus 17 plus ... up to 15 term. So we are given this series, right? We need to find the sum, okay? Up to which term? Up to 15 terms. Now here in part of solutions, what we'll have here, we'll first what we have here, a equals to 8, right? A equals to 8. Then common difference, that is d equals to 11 minus 8 equals to how much we'll get? We'll get 3. For checking purposes whether this is in AP series or not, first this we did, we got how much? 3. We'll do 14 minus 14 minus 11 will get here 3. 17 minus 14, 17 minus 14 will get here 3, right? So it means it is in AP series. Then here what we have here, n equals to 15. N equals to 15. Why? N is the last, n means how many terms we have. So we have to find the sum of the given series up to 15 terms, right? So here n is 15, right? Now what you have to find? You have to find the sum. So therefore, S 15, right? In place of Sn, I am writing S 15. So sum of 15 terms equals to, what is the formula? Okay, first let's write here n. Okay, Sn equals to n by 2, right? N by 2. Okay, then we have got 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this is the formula, we know it, right? Sum formula. So what we'll take here, Sn. So how much we have n value? 15. So we'll take here S 15 here equals to n value is how much? 15 here, 15 by 2, right? Now what we have here? 2. 2 into a value is how much? A value is 8. So we write here 8 plus n value is how much? 15 minus 1, and d is how much? D value is 3. We write here 3, right? So we got this one. So 15 by 2 or 15 by 2, right? 15 by 2. Now 2 8s are 16 here, right? Plus 15 minus 1 will be 14 into this 3 here, right? 15 by 2. Then we got 16 as it is, plus 14 3s are 42. 15 by 2 into 16 plus 42. So we'll have how much? 8. We'll have 58, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now it will multiply this. How much we'll get here? 29 into 15. So 15 9s are 135. So we'll write here 5, 13 carried. 15 2s are 30 plus 13. We'll have here 43. So how much we get here? 435, right? So this is the solution for this question. So you are able to understand. If there will be any doubt in understanding this solution, you can comment me in the comment box. Okay, if there will be any doubt in understanding this, you can comment me in the comment box my YouTube channels. Okay, thank you all.